guys, it's your girl Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell their mama and them, and they daddies and them, and they sisters and them, and they partners and them, because we is litty over here. For real though. Without further ado, let's get some light going up in this boy. Yeah, without further ado, here we go. I think I know what it is. I just think I know. Rip me out the plastic. I'm acting not brand new. No, but for real, let me get this out of this plastic. I almost cut my nail off. Let me be careful if you're being super thirsty. Calm down. Purse ain't going nowhere. They put enough bubble wrap up in this boy. Girl, hold on. And I smell the smell. That factory smell. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Came in a dust bag. Okay, they're fancy. And y'all, I had to get this because I love me some cheetah leopard print. Y'all thought this was so cute. Let's get into it. It has the gold hardware. It has the actual, hold on now, the actual purse charms. And it's like saran wrap, okay. They was not playing. And I got this from the good old Gate. Y'all, just thought this was cute. This is definitely a cute fall bag to have. You know, honestly, you can wear your bags whenever you want to, whether it's spring, fall, summer, winter. You can wear them whether they bright or neutral colors. It really don't matter. It's your money. You wear what you want. But I got this because I know a lot in the wintertime. Y'all, I wear black. I wear black and t-shirts, whether it's black leggings, black jogging pants, white t-shirt, black t-shirt. Pretty simple. So I figure I could get this, wear with my black Crocs or my little Ugg mugs that I got from Torrance. Just something cute to just wear. And this is the what is it, the Lady Dior and the leopard print, the black print, and this is in the size medium. Y'all, this is so cute. So cute. And it actually has CD on the gold part. I'm trying to get it out of, okay, it's all sticky. So it has the CD part right here. Y'all, I'm so, when I just scratched it up, oh well. I'm so excited. I really wanted this purse and I thought it was cute, y'all. I was so thirsty when I had one on Temu. Y'all, I got a matching headband. You like, are you really? Yes, I'm really gonna be wearing this little cheetah print, leopard print headband. Let me see if I can get this out of here. I thought this was so cute because y'all know I love me a good headband. It's close enough. It ain't all the way identical, but it's close enough. Y'all know me, I'm gonna wear a purse charm. I don't care if the purse is classy, like real classic. I'm getting me a purse charm. So y'all got this little purse charm to put on here. Maybe it might be too much. I don't care. Y'all know I don't care. Extra, extra. Read all about it. But yeah, y'all, this is just so cute. Oh, this is so cute. And I got this little purse charm off of Temu. It was pretty cheap. It's a little rabbit. So y'all, this is my little unboxing. I had to get it. I was like, I can't wait. Gotta unbox it because I was being thirsty. So I hope y'all enjoyed my little unboxing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. See ya.